In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and set up a private custom listing order for your Etsy digital download shop. Navigating the world of digital downloads on Etsy can be a rewarding journey, especially when you want to offer personalized services to your customers. So let's dive into the steps you need to follow to ensure your custom orders are set up smoothly and efficiently. Firstly, head over to your Etsy shop manager. Once there, navigate to the listing section and select the option to add a new listing. This is where you'll begin crafting your custom order. As you start, you'll want to upload a placeholder image under the photo section. A useful tip is to create an image that includes this text: custom digital order for buyer's name. This helps make it clear to the buyer that their order is unique to them. Moving on to the title section, it's a good idea to use something like private custom digital order for buyer's first name, initial. This specificity not only organizes your orders efficiently, but also keeps it personalized for the buyer, which adds a nice touch of customer service. Now let's work on the description. Clarity here is crucial. You want to ensure your buyer knows exactly what to expect. So in the description, mention that this listing is for a custom digital file only, highlight what the buyer will receive, and emphasize that no physical product will be shipped. Such transparency manages expectations and reduces the chance of misunderstandings. Under the category section, make sure to select digital downloads. Then scroll down to type and be sure you choose digital. These selections are vital because they ensure your listing is properly categorized, thereby optimizing the buyer's experience. Setting the price is the next critical step. Be sure to enter the price you agreed upon with the buyer. This pre-negotiated amount should reflect the value and customization you're providing. For the digital files, you have two options. If the final custom file is ready, you can upload it directly. However, if it's still in progress or if you prefer a placeholder, you can upload a PDF that indicates files will be sent via Etsy messages or email after purchase. Next, let's mark the listing as private as much as Etsy's platform allows. While Etsy doesn't have a direct private listing toggle, you can keep your custom order hidden by not using searchable keywords in the title or tags. Ensure your title remains specific, like custom order for Sarah M, instead of more generic terms. Finally, to share the listing, send the direct link to your buyer through Etsy messages. And here's a pro tip. While this listing will technically be public, only someone